So the Ducati Street Fighter V4S is our performance bike of the year. Accepting the award is Mr. Bipul Chandra, Managing Director, Ducati India. Bipul, congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for the award. And yes, we believe that the award has come to the right bike. In all humility, we accept this, but the fact remains the same. Street Fighter is the real fighter of the street.
It is. And like I said, for you, your office is close by.
Yes.
It's become a tradition at our awards for you to walk down and accept an award.
Correct. So the fighter comes or walks across the street.
That's right. Yeah, I mean, it seems like the pandemic has no effect on Ducati. You've been able to launch so many motorcycles and such promising products. How have you managed to make it such an impressive year?
Well, last year was a tough one. We all discussed, we all agreed to that. And probably, as the saying goes, we found the opportunity in the tough times. So we were preparing ourselves for this year. And last year we had a very limited supply of the Euro 5 or BS6 bikes, but all the bikes were planned for this year now. And we had an amazing array of the bikes. So in the January itself, we said that we shall be launching 12 bikes in the year.
Yeah.
And we probably outdid ourselves, outperformed ourselves.
Yeah.
And till now we have already launched 14 bikes. And by today we shall be launching the 15th one.
That's amazing.
So Panigale V4 SP is the bike, probably the last bike for the year. So yes, we have a wonderful year that way. The markets have also supported us. The sales have been pretty good, and not only in bikes. I would say we have two basic business per se on the sales side. One is bike and one is the accessories and apparels. So the market has turned to us for apparels and accessories also in a big way. You see, I am wearing the latest collection of model year 22. So we are now getting orders and bookings for these things. So probably year before last or so, getting a booking for apparels was something very difficult, but now customers have turned to us in the biggest way possible, and all the bikes, apparels, accessories are seeing a waiting time. So that's very good for us. We are very happy for it.
That's amazing. I mean, I was mentioning to you that seeing your attire, I feel like I need to change my my jacket.
Yes, definitely. Please be our guest. We shall be happy to attire you that way.
And how are you able to launch? Because I mean, globally Ducati's had a lot of big launches,
Yes.
but in India you're able to bring these bikes to market so quickly. How are you able to bring them into India so fast?
See, usually there is a 6 months gap from the Bologna to Thailand factory. We got two factories, we all are aware. So Bologna is the mother factory and Thailand is the other factory. We get our bikes from Thailand. Usually there is a 6 months gap, but this time looking at the constraints like we had last year and looking at the favorable market conditions, the entire company rose to the occasion and they tried to lower down the gaps as much as possible. Even we worked in a way, our Thailand team worked in a way that they got the ships booked for three months in advance.
Wow.
So that when the shipment is ready,
Yeah.
there is no delay on the part of the ships.
Yeah.
So we have paid extra money for the bookings. We
Yeah.
have taken additional space on the ships. So whatever was possible, we could, whatever was physically possible or so. Financially is a very small thing to say. So we did, and we tried to serve to the Indian customers in the best way possible. And that's what we have done and what we are at now today.
Yeah, I mean, it demonstrates your commitment to the customer.
Yes, definitely.
In terms of this wide range of products that you've got, I mean, you've got the Street Fighter V4S, you have the Multistrada, you've got the Super Sport, you've got the new Monster. Which of these products is the most important for you going forward for as far as India is concerned?
Well, all are my babies. So all the bikes are supremely important for us.
Yeah.
However, looking at the market conditions, probably I would say Multistrada V4 and Monster, the new Monster. They are definitely some of the very important bikes from the current lineup.
Yeah.
Because for the next lineup, next year's lineup, you would already seen the Ducati episodes coming up. We have got some very interesting bikes, including a smaller younger brother of this Street Fighter.
Yeah.
So those all are very important bikes for us. But if I talk strictly from the current lineup, I would say Multistrada V4S because of the inherent adventure touring segment, and Monster being such an rideable bike. So basis that, I would say these two are most important bikes for us. And Panigale family remains the halo product for us.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, looking at this ADV space, we know you have the Desert X ADV coming up. Um, would a smaller 500-600cc bike be more relevant for India? Is that likely at any time?
I always maintain a viewpoint that we are an engineering company and we keep on working on many projects. So in today's time, nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
Just to quote from the James Bond kind of thing, never say never again.
Yeah, yeah.
So I don't personally say no to anything, but in the short term, I would say we are not looking at a product in that segment. In future, we may look at considering the opportunities. However, we are more focused on the multistradas right now, and next year the Desert X would be coming to India towards the later part of the year only. So our focus shall be multistrada right now, and towards the end of the year Desert X, which shall be the first bike from our stable or the foray of Ducati into the 21 inches wheel. So we are looking very in a very exciting way to that bike. Let's hope for the best.
And from an electric standpoint, we know that Ducati is the official electric bike supplier to the Moto E series. So what is the electric future for Ducati?
For Ducati, definitely we are looking very positively for the electric bikes. Our Panigale family draws very heavily from the MotoGP experience. This is known to all of us.
Yeah.
So I'm sure the future bikes for the customers, for retail customers in the market, would definitely draw from the experiences from Moto E. So at present, I have, or rather, we don't have the exact plans what we are going to do or what kind of bikes we are going to launch for the customers in the market. But yes, I can very positively see, and I can say that we shall be coming up with very exciting bikes drawing from the Moto E experience, and I'm sure the customers are going to like that. And since we belong to the VW family, which is now highly focused onto the electric engines, we are working very heavily on the bike, this battery technologies, even developing new battery technologies to make it better, both cost wise, capacity wise, everything. So I'm sure Ducati would draw from the experiences from the group itself, and we are looking at electric with a very immense kind of pride, immense kind of expectations, and immense kind of positive thinking kind of work.
And you know, for a brand like Ducati, that emotion and the sound is such a big part of the appeal of the brand. And how do you maintain something like that in an electric bike, for instance?
That's something yet to be seen. Honestly, I can't reply to that. I love to say that we all are thermic heads. But then whether it's
Me
a thermic,
also.
yes, true. So whether it's a thermic or whether it's electric, bike remains the bike. So the passion would be there. Yes, something is on the sound side, on the vroom side of the bike, we need to work upon, and that I'm sure engineers would be working upon. So that's something I'm unable to reply at this time.
So what next for India from Ducati?
For the next year again, we got a very impressive line of bikes. Some of the bikes we have already seen, like this Multistrada V2, then some iterations on Panigale V4 family, Street Fighter V2. Then we have some of the specific models coming up like Street Fighter V4 SP. There would be another Panigale V4 SP. Then to top it all, towards the end of the year, the Desert X. So we got a very exciting lineup of the bikes for next year also, and I am very sure the way market has come to us this year in 21, 22, same, it should be same for us. So we are very excited for 22 as well.
So you think this surge in demand from the customer's standpoint will be maintained in the next year?
Yes, I believe so. Because after a serious and severe lull in the market, customers have come up back again. They are traveling, they are willing to travel, they are looking at options and opportunities to enjoy life. So that's good for us.
Well, that's a positive note to end on. Thank you again, and congratulations once again.
Thanks to entire AutoX family for the great award, and I take it on behalf of the entire Ducati family, all the fans, Ducatisti as we say. So many thanks to all of you.